guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye TV. So today we are doing a full face of E.L.F. products. I really wanted to do a drugstore product that I remember seeing on the shelves growing up. E.L.F. was one of the first makeup brands that I ever used. Granted, they never had foundations or anything or a skin tone, but they had nice eyeshadows and they had nice blushes, and that was for like when you're just starting out and you're not trying to spend a lot of money and you don't even have that money because you're still wanting like middle school, high school, even college. So E.L.F. came out with a lot. So you can tell I got a box full of E.L.F. stuff. I already took everything out of the boxes just so I can make it a lot easier for you guys, but I just wanted to do a brand that wasn't super expensive and just kind of really test it out and see like if it's worth it. So I went ahead and I already did my eyebrows, and with my eyebrows I used the concealer, the E.L.F. concealer in the color Rich Cocoa. So first things first, I'll tell you guys what all the things I got and then we can go from there. I got the E.L.F. Hydrating Coconut Mist, and this is a lightweight mist and it hydrates the skin and refreshes makeup. Next, I got the foundation, and it is the oil-free foundation in the color Ebony, and I believe this is the darkest shade. The outside of the box does not, the outside of the foundation does not do it justice because I think the colors are a lot richer inside. Then I got two of their concealers, and this is their 16 hour Camo Concealer, and they're in the shades Rich Ebony and Rich Cocoa because I wasn't sure which one was going to be my color. So I bought both just in case. And then I also got a primer, and this is the Matte Oil Control Primer. It says Choline, Clay, and Tea Tree. And I love tea tree, so that's that. It's kind of hard to see because I have my window open, so the light's coming in, so it's like a lot more light. I think that's all that. Oh nope, I forgot the Make Me Matte translucent powder. So I got that, and it's obviously white. And then they gave me some goodies. So I got an E.L.F. eyeshadow trio, which I was excited about because I didn't end up getting an eyeshadow. I don't know why I didn't think about that. And then I also got a free Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold. And I might use that. It honestly looks like a lipstick. But that's all I got. And I'm going to start by swatching the concealers because I want you guys to see what it is. What's up? Get you in a cut. I want you guys to see what it's all about. So this is Rich Cocoa, and I hope it works well on my arm here. So I'm going to swatch that. And Rich Cocoa is what it says it is. That is Rich Cocoa there, and that's what I used to conceal my eyes. And then this is Rich Ebony. Ooh, oh dang, okay. It's a rich. So obviously that's a lot more like of a red undertone. It looks so backwards to me. So these are the two. And then over here, I'm just going to go ahead and also do the foundation just so we have something. So this is the foundation shade. Oh, it's beautiful and chocolatey. Wow. E.L.F., you have outdone yourself. So that is the foundation color. It's really chocolatey. Does it match my skin? It should. I think it should be pretty good. And I know I took requests from you guys, and I have some videos coming up. I just, like, I've gotten the products and I just haven't film them. So it'll be a mixture. You guys will see beauty videos and you will see girl chat video, lifestyle videos, girl chat videos, because I want to make sure that we are getting all things that you guys love. And I know you guys don't just love makeup, you guys also love hearing about things. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow just because and by the way, this is very matte, so it sticks really quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my eyes like that for now. I'll fix them up later. So next I'm gonna go in with the concealer. So this is the oil control primer. Wow, I said concealer. I'm gonna go in with the primer. Okay, I already smell the tea tree oil, and it gives me a Smashbox feel, like a Smashbox photo finish primer without it being thick. It's definitely a lot lighter, but it is, ooh, it's like making my face hot, or is it just me? It's a lot thin, it's not as thick, so I like that. And I love the Photo Fresh, the Smashbox photo finish, because it really does give me amazing hydrating skin. So there is that. And by the way, I ordered everything online. The foundation unfortunately is not in the state I live in. I live in Nebraska, and they just don't have the darker shades. I don't know if they have them in different, like in different areas of the country, but they don't have it here. So far I like the primer. Next I'm gonna go in with the foundation itself, and I'm gonna use a brush. Where is my foundation brush? So I'm gonna use this brush. Let's put it on. Hey, okay. It does have a smell. Very interesting. It's not a, oh, okay. 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 E.L.F. Wow. E.L.F. is doing it, you guys. Wow, this is I'm surprised. I'm very surprised. Why don't they get the credit they deserve? They have a bunch of shades, by the way, on the site, and a lot of it is sold out. So if you guys want to try it out, definitely, like, you should pay attention to what your shade is. I usually always go for the darkest shade because that's usually what is neutral and what is going to go with my undertone. But this is bomb though. Okay, I'm not mad at any of this right now. I feel like it looks good. It looks like an expensive foundation, but it's not, like, you know what I mean. Oh wow, E.L.F. is giving me life, honey. Baby girl. Wow. I didn't buy any lip glosses either, so I don't know. I really wanted to try the foundation and like the face products more than anything else, so that's why. Y'all, I didn't have to even apply, excuse my ashy lips, but apply very much. And wow, what do you guys think? I think it looks good. It's true to color. It looks good to me. Next, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. I already feel like this is gonna be too close to my skin tone, so it's not gonna work, but I will show you guys anyways. Or maybe, no, that is definitely not gonna work. This is having more, like I said, a red undertone, so I'm gonna go in with Rich Cocoa. And cover that up too. Okay, let me just use the So I would say if you're like a deeper complexion, that one wouldn't work, but for me, that was just not it. And I gotta move fast because this does dry quickly. You know what's stuck in my head? The most annoying song on the planet universe. Bust it down, Tatiana, bust it down, Tatiana. And I hate songs like that, but it's stuck in my head because I've seen it all over Instagram. Okay, so next we are gonna go into the Make Me Matte translucent powder. The only white powder I ever use is the Peel Off and Turn Dial. Is the Thrive Cosmetics one, and I swear by it. I love it. How do you peel this off? All right, let's see what this is all about. Ooh, I was never a fan of like these powders because I thought it'd just make me look like a ghost, but I kind of honestly prefer them now. Is that weird? I am gonna use my, ooh, I look like a ghost. I am gonna use my regular contouring essentials, so that's what I'm gonna do now.
Today, I wanna love you today. Girl, I wanna love you tomorrow. I wanna love you forever. I wanna love you today. I wanna love you today. Girl, I wanna love you tomorrow.
So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be back with my final conclusion. So far so good. My makeup looks good and all together. Everything's blending, and I'll give you guys my final verdict when I come back, once my eyes are all together. And yeah, so I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back and this is the finished look. I mean, it's pretty like chill. Some nice lips. My eyes. About to sneeze. Bless me. But this is it. This is mostly E.L.F. products. Giving you guys my final verdict. I really like the foundation. Everything here is super cheap. Let me just tell you guys the prices of each item. Let me go ahead and pull up my email real quick. Said if I catch you if you fall. Okay, the foundation is $6. $6, y'all. Get it. So cheap and it's so good. I love the quality of it. My face is matte, put together. So this is so worth it, and it's so affordable. Like, everybody and their mama could get it. If you live in the wilderness, you can get it. I would say try it. Like I said, I'm in the shade Ebony. Love, love, love. The Hydrating Coconut Mist, this was how much? This was, where is it at? This was $6 also. I mean, if you want to get it, get it. I'm not sure. I really don't feel like I gave it, I don't feel like it did anything. Like, it did hydrate my skin, but I feel like it's not necessary if you're gonna have primer, you know, because primer is also supposed to help. So this is if you want it, like a bonus. I like it, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it like daily, but is it necessary if you don't want to buy it? No, but I like it. I'm not saying it's a bad product. I'm just saying, like, if you got the coins, buy it. If you feel like you want the essentials of makeup and you want it to be cheap and affordable, I would say I'd pass on it. The primer I like I said, it's a dupe for the Smashbox primer, and I just dropped the concealer. It is a super cheap dupe for the Smashbox primer. I like it. I think if you want the same effects as a really high-end product without paying the high-end price, I would say get this for sure. So yes to that, and that was $10. So it is a little bit more expensive than the two other products, but it's worth it. Next thing was the Make Me Matte powder. I have one by Thrive Cosmetics, and I love it. Like, it doesn't give me a white cast. It kind of has like a different kind of color in it, but this one kind of left the cast, and I was like looking at this screen as I'm doing it, and I'm like, oh, it's leaving a white cast. So I would say this would be my least favorite product. Once again, it's not bad, and I think also it is because I'm of a deeper complexion that it may not come out the way I think it should. But like I said, it just isn't for me. I'll have to pass on that. And that one was, how much was it? It was $8. It's called the Make Me Matte Foundation Adjuster. It just wasn't for me. The two concealers, which I don't know where I put. So the two concealers, I say yeah, they go for it. They're very full coverage and they dry really quickly. And these are both $5. So they're supposed to be 16-hour lasting. I don't know if I can't wear makeup that long, so it's maybe if you guys want me to like do a demo one day, I'd have to really prepare, start early in the morning, and give you guys an accurate depiction. But I love these. $5 each, really good. They kind of remind me of the ColourPop concealers, but a lot more full, and once again, it dries quickly, but like it doesn't like leave ash on your face. So I'm obsessed with these. Definitely gonna be reaching out for this one for sure. This one was just too red for me. I feel like if you're like a lot darker than me and have a certain undertone, this would work perfectly. I couldn't even try to do it to like contour or anything because it would just look red, and I'm not going for a red look, you know what I'm saying? So I'd say yes to these for sure. And those were all the things that I bought with my own money. I tried this trio, the eyeshadow trio, not a big fan, and that doesn't give a good depiction for other E.L.F eyeshadows because I feel like they have really nice eyeshadows, and I didn't get a highlight, but that's okay. From what I like, from what I've ordered, I'm gonna say that like E.L.F is actually, E.L.F has stepped it up. E.L.F has done its work. The foundation is my favorite. Like, I was ultimately just wanting to try the concealers, but the foundation is actually my favorite. And next coming would be these two. But overall, I like it, you guys. This is honestly the weirdest thing to say. It's one of my favorite like first impressions. I have not tried any of these products before ever, so this is my first time, and I'm giving you guys my real life reaction. I like it a lot. Next time I might just need to actually get eyeshadow and stuff. My edges is up. That's how you even know. It's crazy. But this is it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and join the family. If you guys really enjoyed this E.L.F first impressions and try haul, let me know in the description below. And like I said, I'll be coming out with more videos. Just give me some time. I'm trying to map them out so I give you guys a balance of like everything you guys love about my channel. So yeah, do me a huge favor, make sure you are giving it a thumbs up, make sure you're sharing it on your social media, and let's just grow. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.